Good morning. I'm back at it again, getting ready, and I've just ordered juice. And you know what juice? I did tell you yesterday. So every day that I've been here, I've been trying to have sweet lime juice, which in Tamil is called satukudi, or in Hindi it's called musambi. So that, as I said, I do not get that fruit in Melbourne. So I've been trying to have that juice where and when I can. So I just ordered it. Oh my God, I miss this so much. I miss it so much. I ordered food. I'm waiting for it to be delivered. I'm doing very simple face just to look alive. And I am going to go to South Carpet, which is it's an area where you get cheap things, like fashion things or home things, just anything. It's just street shops, and that area just has roadside shops and stuff. So I just want to buy really cheap earrings and other bits and pieces. So it's not too far from my hotel. So I'm gonna go and look for that and just shop around a little bit. And it's going to be the street, so I might be melting off. So I'm just wearing a random t-shirt and some leggings. I'm gonna put my hair in a bun and just go. So yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment. Hello. I just came back home. I couldn't vlog there. It was so crowded. But yeah, I just got back. I'm exhausted because the sun has drained me. I'm gonna quickly shower. But yeah, I just thought I'll show you a couple of things that I bought. I kind of want to do a haul though. But I went to Go Colors and I got a couple of pants for Mum and some white pants for me for Indian clothes. Yeah, and I bought little bits and pieces, some glass sort of bangles. So glass bangles like that. Yeah, some earrings. Got some hip chain and bindis and clips for the hair. So that's my silver and gold hip chain. Yeah. I got a couple of dupattas actually. A couple of dupattas. What else? What else did I buy? Oh, I bought some like hair color tubes. I do have developer back at home, so I bought for mum those things. And what else did I buy? I'm so glad I brought this like tote bag because I chucked everything in there. Oh, I bought this like oxidized jewelry set. I'll show you a proper like haul later and I'll tell you how much each thing was. But yeah, and then I bought a choli. Again, I'll show it to you later, but yeah, those are the things I bought. I'm gonna, take my makeup off. Oh, look at me. I look like a mess. I'm gonna take my makeup off and get ready again. And my friend Aisha will come and we might go eat something. And then, I'll see what to do. Guys, so I'm just getting ready to go see my friend. Or I'm just waiting for her to come. And I was just going through some of my stuff that I brought. And I'm going to like donate some of my makeup, or I guess declutter, and see which ones I'm going to give to like a friend that she can just use, or if it's not that great, I might just throw that away. So yesterday to one of my friend, I gave my double wear foundation in the shade 4W2, and I had the Charlotte Tilbury spray, like the setting spray, and then what else did I give? Oh, and then there was a Benefit Hoola bronzer that I had an extra one of, which I did bring from Melbourne and gave it to her. But some more things I am donating is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Orange Corrector. So I'm going to give that away. I've got a little sample of the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over. It's just, I like these things. I just don't want to carry it back to Melbourne. So there. I've got a little of the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder. That. I've got a Mecca Max Zoom Shadow Stick in Espresso. It's a stick shadow. I'm going to give that. I have a similar colour back home, so may as well. I've got a Bare Minerals liquid lipstick in Swank. That's what it looks like. I've got a Bite Beauty lip liner in 46. A Bourjois lip liner in 9 Plump It Up. And then I've got Jaclyn Hill lip liner in Control. Got Bare Minerals lip liner in Wired. Giving those. And then Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipsticks. They're still good in Single and Freckle Fiesta. And I've got a little like palette. I'm just going to give these away because I don't want to carry this with me. So yeah, those are the things I'm giving. This is my face. I don't know what to think about this lipstick. I think it's fine. Right? There. getting ready for a shoot. And we're going to actually shoot in the room that I'm staying in. So I'm just waiting for my friend photographer to come. But yeah, today's Tuesday. And I'm starting the day quite late. Because I slept late last night. And yeah, so I'm just getting ready. I'm wearing my Age Rewind concealer all over my face as a foundation. So I'm leaving tomorrow. The days have just flown by, which is it's really crazy. I feel like I just came yesterday, but it's already Tuesday. I came Friday, like at 1 a.m., you know? So today's the 5th day. And then I've kind of got a full day tomorrow because my flight's only at like 28th at like 1 a.m. So I have to be at the airport at like 11 o'clock on like tomorrow, at night. But yeah, I'm planning on getting my hair colored tomorrow, like redoing my hair. So this hair was when I got it done in Chennai last time, the color, about, more than a year ago. So I want to see if I can go get it done for my birthday. So I might do that tomorrow. I just need to do like some bits and pieces as well. But yeah, I've got to see how to figure everything out and when to fit in what. Yeah, there's a lot of people that, are wanting to catch up, but I just don't have enough time to catch up with like everyone. So, yeah. So, also, yesterday my friend Aishu, who I've known for like, how old am I now? So I've known her for like 25 years. We've been friends since then. Yes, in the middle, like we didn't talk much because of like just random reasons, living in different countries and just things going on in her life and then my life. But, when you meet after years, it's still the same. Like there's no change to our friendship. Anyway, so yesterday she comes with a cake. I've put in a clip of the cake, but it was such a cute cake because my birthday is coming up. So she brought a cake for me that made me really emotional because we did when we were like kids, but we haven't celebrated birthdays as adults. Also, like, I'm not going to be here for my birthday, and my birthday is in a few days. So, she was so considerate about it. And, little things like that is what I look for in a friendship or relationship. I don't want big things. I don't want, like those kind of materialistic things, like little gestures. Yeah, that was really sweet. So luckily it was a small cake because I'm not a sweet tooth. And I ate a little bit and she ate a little bit yesterday. It's chocolate cake as well, and unpopular opinion, I'm not fond of chocolate cakes that much, but this one, let me just show you. I've eaten it, but it's from Theo Brahma. This is an eggless cake. It doesn't really matter, I eat eggs, but just saying. But I don't even like chocolate cakes. This is really good. And it's not sweet at all. So good. If you're watching this, Aishu, I love you. So, I'm wearing literally the same makeup because I only brought one of each thing, but this is bronzer. It's the L'Oreal one. I want to chat to you guys about a lot of things, but I've just been, like, it wasn't a all relaxing holiday. Like, I was on the go the whole time because I know people here and people want to meet me and I want to meet people. So, you know, but I think when I'm back in Melbourne, if I get time at the airport and I have nothing to do, I will chat to you guys about some topics. Blush is Gingerly from MAC, of course. I got Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Chocolate Mousse. This is the Maybelline Builder Brow. I'm just using the gel part of it for the moment. Using Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette.